This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Nicole Piet. This is the house to see first. Just blocks from the beach, this house has it all. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths plus a bonus loft living area upstairs on the 3rd floor. Beautiful large front porch and second level deck with great views. Open first floor plan with hardwood, granite, large pantry, custom crown molding, mud room with built-in storage, large center island, master suite with walk-in closets, upstairs laundry, tiled baths, 3 separate attic walk-in storage areas. Hardie Plank exterior. Behind the vinyl fence is a gorgeous custom backyard with pavers and gas fire pit. Plenty of outdoor entertaining space. This is an outdoor dream. Garage plus